Most people replace their spark plugs because a service reminder told them to, not because the plugs actually failed, not because the engine gave any sign of a problem, because a sticker on the windshield or a line in the service manual said the interval was up and the dealer confirmed it with a confident nod and a $400 labour quote. What nobody mentions during that conversation is that the plugs coming out of your engine are almost certainly not worn out. They are seized, corroded into the aluminum cylinder head by a chemical process that starts the moment a new plug is installed, and that a $2 compound applied in 60 seconds completely prevents. The plug is fine. The hole it lives in has turned against it, and the industry that profits from early replacement has never had any interest in explaining the difference. Here is what actually happens to a spark plug over time. Modern engines use aluminum cylinder heads. Aluminum is lighter than cast iron and dissipates heat more efficiently. But aluminum has a problem that cast iron does not. When a steel spark plug sits in an aluminum head at operating temperatures between 800 and 1400 degrees Celsius, a galvanic corrosion reaction begins at the thread interface. Steel and aluminum in contact at high temperature, with combustion byproducts acting as an electrolyte, creates a galvanic cell. Aluminum oxide forms at the thread interface and expands. The plug corrodes into the head progressively with every heat cycle. After 30,000 kilometers, the plug is not loose in the head. It is fused to it. Removing a fused plug from an aluminum head without the right preparation destroys the threads. Destroyed threads in an aluminum head means a helicoil insert repair at minimum. $800 in labour. At worst, it means a cracked head. A cracked head on a modern engine is not a repair. It is a replacement. $4,000 minimum on a 4-cylinder. $8,000 on a 6. Japanese mechanics have known about this failure mode since the early 1970s, when Japanese automakers made the transition from cast iron to aluminum cylinder heads across their entire production range. The solution they developed and standardized across every authorized service center in Japan cost $2 and takes 60 seconds to apply. It is in the Japanese domestic market spark plug service protocol. It has been standard practice in every Toyota, Honda, and Nissan service center in Japan for over 40 years. It is not in the service protocol your dealer follows. The compound is a combination of two materials applied together at installation. The first is anti-seize ceramic compound, a suspension of copper, nickel, and ceramic particles in a carrier grease that creates a sacrificial barrier between the steel plug threads and the aluminum head threads. The ceramic particles prevent direct metal-to-metal contact at high temperature. The sacrificial metallic particles oxidize preferentially instead of allowing galvanic corrosion to develop at the thread interface. The plug threads stay clean, the head threads stay clean. After 100,000 kilometers, the plug comes out as easily as it went in. The second is dielectric grease applied to the plug boot, the rubber connection between the ignition coil and the ceramic plug insulator. Without dielectric grease, the rubber boot fuses to the ceramic insulator at operating temperature. Removing a fused boot tears the boot, destroys the coil connection, and turns a 60-second plug change into a $300 coil replacement. A study documented in SAE Technical Paper 2015-1 or 1882 measured thread corrosion in aluminum cylinder heads across two groups of vehicles. One group with anti-seize compound applied at installation and one group without. After 80,000 kilometers of operation, the untreated group showed thread damage in 63% of plug removal attempts. The treated group showed thread damage in 2% of removal attempts. The compound did not extend plug service intervals. It made the plug removable at any interval without destroying the head. A Toyota dealership service manager in Fukuoka, with 19 years of experience, states his workshop has never performed a helicoil thread repair on a vehicle that received anti-seize treatment at every plug change. His workshop performs helicoil repairs on an average of 3 vehicles per month, all of them vehicles that receive plug changes at independent workshops or dealer chains that do not apply anti-seize as standard practice. Here is exactly what you need and what to do. Purchase copper or nickel anti-seize compound, any industrial supply or automotive website. A 50-gram tube costs $2 to $3 and covers 30 to 40 plug installations. Purchase dielectric grease separately. $1 for a small sachet covering a full set of plugs. When installing new plugs, clean the threads in the head first with a thread chaser, or a clean plug run in and out by hand. Apply anti-seize compound to the first 3 threads of the plug only, not the full thread length, and not near the electrode end. A thin, even coat. Too much anti-seize changes the torque reading and can crack the ceramic insulator. Torque the plug to 80% of the manufacturer specification when using anti-seize. The compound reduces friction at the threads, which means standard torque values over-tighten. For most 4-cylinder engines, that means 20 to 22 Newton meters instead of 25. Apply dielectric grease to the inside of the plug boot before pressing it onto the plug. A small amount, enough to coat the inside surface of the boot evenly. Press the boot firmly until it clicks. That is the entire procedure. $2 of compound, 60 seconds per plug. The difference between a plug that comes out clean at 100,000 kilometers and one that takes the cylinder head with it. Japanese mechanics have been doing this since the 1970s. The corrosion mechanism that makes it necessary has been documented since aluminum heads entered mass production. The helical repair that results when it is skipped costs $800 minimum, and the compound that prevents it costs $2 for enough material to cover every plug change your engine will ever need. You just found out what your service manual left out. Share this now with anyone who owns a car with an aluminum cylinder head, which is every petrol engine built after 1990. The next video covers the $4 Japanese AC compressor secret that prevents seizure. A $1,400 repair that authorized Toyota and Honda service centers have been preventing since 1991 with a compound that has never appeared in a single Western market air conditioning service procedure.